Okay, the homemade go-kart project, this would be part 4. I did a little more welding. One thing I wanted to point out is the steering arms. You can see how they're angled towards the center of the rear axle. That's called Ackerman steering. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm sure I did. It helps with the steering. I can show you here how the inside wheel for the turn turns sharper than the outside wheel, and then again the other direction too. You can see that wheel's definitely turned sharper than that one. So that should be, a lot like a car. Better steering, so I don't have any problems with the tires like slipping or sliding or whatever. Steering's still a little stiff, but I could probably grease that like after I paint it and everything, the go-kart, paint it, and then grease all the pivot points. I still don't have a floor in the front here for the pedals. Don't have the seat in yet because I want to put the seat as far back as I can towards the engine. I don't have the engine or an engine plate yet, and I'm obviously going to have to put a different wheel on here with a sprocket and everything, but this was just to get the wheels all lined up and set up and everything. And I don't know, the tie rods, I just welded some rods onto some bolts so they're not adjustable, but I could maybe change that down the road too, put some adjustable like real tie rods on there. But I want the steering wheels on. I did the steering wheel last, that way I could make the steering wheel straight when the wheels are straight. I don't know, that's the way I like to do it, but yeah, I'm getting there. And then I think the next go-kart I do, I'm going to do a live axle instead of this just one wheel thing all the time. So you might want to look forward to that. I never even drove a live axle go-kart, but I think that's what I want to do next. And again, thanks for watching. That's it.